Hello, Cham here, and today I'm going to show you how to create social videos fast. And by the way, it's raining hard here in our place right now, so you might hear some sounds of the rain pouring in the background, and I hope that's okay because I really need to record this video right now. And in the past, if you remember, I showed you how to create social video ads like the ones that I did here, wherein I used my talking head video and then I added my title right there and my captions below the video. And of course, this is great if you have some time to, shoot your own videos and do your talking head and all that. But what I'm going to show you right now is on how to create social videos fast, especially if you are in a situation wherein, you don't really have some time to shoot your own videos and you really need a short video that you can use for your video ad campaign. And the solution to that is to find some video stocks that you will use and then just add some text and overlays to that video, and then you can already use that as your video ad. And if you're a member of social video ads, you should understand well what I mean here. And so right now, let me show you some ways that you can do to create social videos fast without you having to record your own video. So there are two ways you can do, and let me show you both ways. And the first way is just to find some video stocks from places like this one, like videos.pixels.com. And the good thing about a website like this is that you can just go here and type any keywords and search for a video in your niche, and you can just download any of these videos and you can use them for absolutely free. And then what you can do is just use your video editing tool. And as of right now, I want to use Camtasia because a lot of you are members of Vidtasia, so most of you should be using Camtasia already. And so this is the one that I want to use in this demo. But of course, you can just use any video editing tool that you have. But as of right now, let me just use Camtasia. And like I said, there are two ways to do this, and this is the first way to do so. And this way is somewhat a longer way, but later on I'll be showing to you another way to do it, which is a lot faster. But yep, as soon as you downloaded some video stocks that you can use, you can simply click import media. And let's say, for example, I want to use this particular video right here. All I have to do is import that, choose a canvas size right here, and for now let me just use the 1080p full HD. Click apply, and let me just fit this right here. And then what I can do then is simply drop this video right here, and maybe I can shorten this if I want. But what I can do is just simply add some text and overlays on this video using Camtasia. So I can go here to annotations. For example, I can use this one. I can just click properties here, and I can change the color to anything I want. For example, I will use green, and then for the text I will make it white. There we go. And I can type love boxing, visit our gym, something like that. And I can make it bigger, and of course I can just choose any font that I want. And maybe for now let's use Helvetica. There we go. And then make this bold, and I can even make the size bigger. There we go. And yep, as you can see, this is already good as a social video. I can post this on Facebook and use it as my video ad, and this can already work. And of course, aside from this, I can also add some overlays if I wanted to. I can simply go here and choose some of these. Like for example, I can add a star, I can add some shapes, and just to make things a lot more interesting if I wanted to do so. And so once you're happy, you can already export this and use this as your video. And like I said, this can already work as your video ad. And so this is the first way to do it, but let me show you another way to do it as well. And the other way to do it is by using this brand new app called VidFactory. And I was testing it earlier, and the good thing about it is that it already has some built-in functionality wherein you can just search any stock videos within the app, and then you can just add some text and any images or overlays that you want to add, and you can already create your social video from here. And so as you can see, I'm now here in the dashboard of this app, and let me demonstrate to you on how to use it to create social videos really fast. And depending on the plan that you have, some of these might not be appearing in your dashboard, but as for me, everything is appearing right here. But as of right now, let me just start by using this video ads feature. So let me click here. And after that, as you can see, I have three choices right here. I can upload any video from my desktop. I can also upload from YouTube, or I can choose from the library. And as of right now, let me just choose from library. So let me just click here. And then here I can just enter any keyword that I want. Let's say I want to search for dogs, so let me type that. Once I do, as you can see, it showed some results of dog videos right here, which was taken from Pixabay. And as you can see, it's integrated with Pixabay, and it got this royalty-free videos that you can use for absolutely free. And what I like about this is that you can even see the number of likes right there. And in this case, this is the one that has a lot more likes, so let me choose this. By the way, you can also click here to play the video here if you want. You can even download it to your computer right away. But right now, let me just choose this and then click next. So once I'm here, the next thing that I can do then is to split this video into seconds, so that in each of those slides, I can add some text and even images if I wanted to. And since, as you can see, this is 14 seconds long, let me divide this into two sequences. And so the first sequence, it will be from 1 second up to, let's say, 5 seconds. And then let me click here to add new sequence. And then this will now start from 6 seconds up to 14 seconds. There we go. After that, let me just click next. And then here, as you can see, it's now divided into two slides. And so in this first slide, I can now add my text. So by default, it has this main title plus a subtitle. But as of right now, I just want to add a single line of text. So let me delete this one by clicking it and delete, and choose the other one and maybe position it somewhere here. And I can type something like love dogs, something like that. And here I can change the text color if I want. I can even add a background. For example, I can add a black background right there. And then I can even change the font. I can also make it bold, and I can even change the font size right here. So let's say that's too big for me, so let me just click here and maybe choose 48 instead. And here I can also add some animations, so I can just leave it as that and it will appear at once, or I can add a fade in and fade out. And that's something I wanted to do, so let me choose fade in and fade out. And then I can then proceed to this next slide and then add another line of text. So here, I don't know, I can add something like check out our dog products, something like that. And I can position this wherever I want. And of course, I need to make the font a lot smaller. And if I want, again, I can add a background color right there. And I did a mistake right here. Let me add letter O right there. There we go. And again, I can just position this wherever I want, maybe somewhere here. And aside from that, I can also go here to pictures, and if I wanted to add a picture, I can always do so. So, I can add an overlay or anything that I wanted to add. If I want to add my logo as my branding, I can always do so. Or if I want to add some overlays like some arrows or something to make my video a lot more interesting, I can do that here. So I can always click here to choose a file. And I have some collections of overlays here that I can use. For example, I want to add an arrow right here. Let me just click here and choose this particular arrow, for example. Click open, and I can just position it wherever I want, maybe here. So there we go. As you can see, I can easily create a social video using this app. And so once I'm happy with everything, all I have to do is click create video. And then here I can now preview how the video looks like. So I can just click play. And as you can see, the text faded in right there, which looks good. And then here's now the second text. But for some reason, the arrow overlay that I added is not right there. So what I can do then is just simply click and go back and check on that. Or I can now simply click download and, get this video and use it as my video ad already. And so as you can see, that's how easy it is to create a social video using this app. And like I said, I'll probably just click edit and then go here to the next slide. And just delete this one, and again just go here to pictures, choose a file, and choose that arrow again, click open, and place it right here, and then simply click save image. And I think this is something that I forgot to do earlier, and so that's the reason why this arrow was not appearing in the preview. And again, I can just simply click create video, render it, download it, and already use this as my video ad. And so as you can see, VidFactory is an app that I highly recommend that you may use if you want to create social videos really fast and easy. And the app works great already. As you can see, you can already add your own text right there, and you can also upload your own images. Like I said, you can upload your own logo, or if you have some collection of overlays that you can use, you can upload them in the app as well. And this is exactly what my bonus is for you if you will get this app from me. So here are this collection that you can get if you grab VidFactory through the button that you can see below. First, it's a collection of nice looking arrows. There we go, that you can use as your overlays. In fact, you can also use this not just inside VidFactory, but in any graphic or video editing tool that you may have. For example, if you already have Camtasia, you can use this inside Camtasia as well, or any video editing tool that you have. Aside from arrows, we also have some borders only buttons. So in case you want to create some elegant looking buttons, you may use this one. We also have CTA buttons. So for example, if you want to use this, learn more buttons that I created for you, you can just go here to VidFactory and go here to pictures. And aside from using this one, you can also choose a file and choose one of these CTA buttons. For example, this orange one, click open, and maybe, place it somewhere here. So this is one collection that you can get. And aside from that, we also have some web buttons, which are nice looking buttons that again you can use on top of your video as well. Let me show you how they look like. I can just choose a file. For example, I want to use this badge right here. I can just click open, and there we go. And by the way, I can resize these overlays within the app. I can just go here at the corner, and as you can see, I can resize them and position them wherever I want. Same is true with this one. I can just click that handle right there and resize them if I want. So there we go. As you can see, you can add as many overlays as you want on top of your video together with the text that you may want to add. And so like I said, this is a simple app that you can easily use if you want to create some social videos really fast without having to shoot videos or without having to do a screen recording video like what I'm doing right now, and you just want to create a video ad really fast and use it now as your video ad on Facebook, maybe to sell your e-commerce products, your digital product, your course, or whatever. And so yep, that's it in this video. I just want to show you how to create social videos fast. And in the future, I'll probably be doing more of this, and I'll be showing to you some more ways on how to create social videos, because there are different types of social videos that you can do. But today, I just want to show you how to create this type of social videos using VidFactory. And by the way, aside from video ads, there are some more things that you can do here as well. For example, if I go here to the dashboard, it also has meme maker. You can also loop the video and do some other things such as resize the video, video filters, video to GIF, and even mute the video. But some of these might not be available in the basic version of the app, and I'll just probably add the tutorials of Alvin below this video to show you how some of these features work. But basically, I just want to show you how to create social videos fast using this app, and I hope that you learned something today. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and again, if you want to create social videos fast, I highly recommend that you grab VidFactory. And if you're asking if you still need VidFactory if you already have Camtasia, well, that's completely up to you. The truth is, you don't really need it already if you already have Camtasia, but if you want to create social videos a lot faster, then you can consider to get this as well and use it together with Camtasia. If you don't have Camtasia or any video editing whatsoever, then I highly recommend that you grab this one and create social videos really fast. Again, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Cham, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.